Hello guys, welcome to A-Level Physics and Mathematics. In this section, I will describe you a key concept in mathematics which will help you to remember order of mathematical expression. So the first guy is body mass, and then the second one is PEMDAS, which will help you to calculate mathematical expression in mathematics. So let's see one by one. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, which is body mass rule. So these are the key concepts that help you to calculate algebraic expression in mathematics. So there is an example over here that will help you to understand body mass rule. So the example, we can start from the example. We can start this example. So this is 64 divided by 4 minus 4 times 2, the whole, close the bracket and then the whole square, and then minus 8, open the bracket, 8 minus 8 divided by 2, the whole square, close the bracket and then the whole square. This is a mathematical expression, and then just we need to follow this body mass rule to calculate this expression. So 64 minus, when we start from left to right, we can get that 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16 minus 4 times minus 4 times 2, close the bracket and then the whole square, minus open the bracket, 8 minus, from this you need to calculate this guy first, and then 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, and then close the bracket. Then you need to just follow this rule. 16 minus, which becomes 16 minus 4 times 2 is equal to 8, close the bracket and then the whole square, minus open the bracket, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is basically 8 minus 4 is equal to basically it's 4. You don't need to write again, so you can put like this, and then 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, the whole square, minus 8 square, 4 square is 16, or you can put as it is for the square, 4 square, and then 8 square is 16, 64 minus 16, which is equal to 48. That is the final answer of this algebraic expression. So you can, like I said, you can follow this body mass rule to calculate algebraic expression. So the next one is PEMDAS, that will help you to understand or to calculate the algebraic expression in mathematics. So what we can, the P stands for parentheses, and then E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, and then A stands for addition, as well as S stands for subtraction. These are PEMDAS rule that will help you to calculate the algebraic expression in mathematics. So there is an example over here that is maybe help you to understand a PEMDAS rule. So when you start from here, what we can do is you need to just follow this PEMDAS rule. From here, what you need to do is you need to calculate first the parentheses, which is let's proceed with that. 5 square plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 2 minus 4 times 1. So this is first step. And then next step, what you need to do is you need to calculate the exponent. Then the first, when you calculate the square, what you can get is 5 square means 25 plus, okay, 25 plus 2 upon 2 minus 4 times 1. So the next step you need to do is division, so which is 25 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to 1, and then minus 4 times 1. So this is an algebraic expression. From this you need to calculate first multiplication, and then which is equal to 25 plus 1. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So meaning that from here, from this algebraic expression, you need to calculate first addition, then 25 plus 1 is equal to 26 minus 4, which is equal to 22 is a final answer for this algebraic expression. I think that's all for now, guys. Let me know if you have any other question or any comment that you want to share with me. I'm happy to reply for you guys. And then if this concept help you to understand PEMDAS as well as a BODMAS concept, please like, share, and then subscribe this video. It will help me to just prepare another video as well. So that's all for today, and then have a great day. Thank you.